In this video, I will show you how to pay NBD credit card bill. So first just open up your Emirates NBD app and then log in your account. This will show you this window. So simply click on this secure login option and then your account will be logged in. Then this will open up this dashboard page. So from here you have to click on your current account option at the top. Then this will show you the details of your account, and from here click on this make payment option at the bottom. Then this will open up all the payments that you can make. So from here simply click on this credit card option and this will show all the credit cards that you own. So from here simply select the credit card that you want to pay your bill for. So simply click on that, and from here you have to select the currency and the amount you want to pay, and you can also select the date that you want to pay on that bill. And once you fill up all the details, simply click on this continue button and your NBD credit card bill will be paid. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.